Hi class, I just wanted to do a short welcome video and also remind you that assignments are already open for the class. Um, if you can actually see, all of these assignments should already open and some of these are ready for you to submit. Please get started on the course introduction start here module and basically take a look at the syllabus, submit the notice of the syllabus and all of these assignments here. Some of these assignments, we're going to be using them throughout the semester, so as soon as possible, please complete those. In order for you to connect them my MATLAB assignments, please use this assignment. So basically, you're just going to open up this assignment and it should connect you to my MATLAB. If you use my MATLAB in the past, you can just sign in. If not, the system's going to ask you to create an account. Next order of business is the assignments from the stat for week 1. They're already available. Please get started on these assignments in this order, meaning that when you log in, you're logging in into the actual modules, and then work on these chronological on this chronological order, starting from top to bottom. Also, some of the due dates are not going to close this week, but in order for them to make sense, you're working on them in this order backwards. Lastly, one of the assignments that we're going to be doing on Thursday is running Proctorio. Please try to run this in advance and see if your computer has all the requirements. For the extra credit, you're just running it and showing up a picture of you running the software. That's actually it. I'll see you guys Thursday.